Hello everyone and good evening po sa ating lahat. Today is Wednesday as usual, August 18, 2021. So kalagitnaan ng linggo, 3 days in our trading days. So masaya naman, di ba? So hello sa inyong lahat and magandang gabi. Ayan. Sige. So, let's try to check up yung mga kasama natin dito sa ating live stream. As early as 7 p.m. Nandito na agad, no? Hello, Cesar. Good evening sa'yo. I hope you are still tuning in. Hello, Oliver. Annyeonghaseyo. Lenore, good afternoon. Jewy, hello. Roy, LJ, ipit na nga, wala pang tubig. What a day. Bakit? Ano nangyari, LJ? Ano walang tubig? Magbayad kasi ng kuryente. Ng tubig. But I hope everything is okay, ha? Ayan. Hello, Camille. Good evening. Alex, magandang gabi sa'yo. Ben, Lemuel, Maurice, Lori. Oh, ayan. So, alive and tune in. Thank you. Maraming salamat, Cesar. Romel, good evening. PJ, magandang gabi rin sa'yo. So, ayan. Sige. Let's wait for siguro mga 1 more minute tapos magsisimula na tayo. No? Ayan. Kumusta yung mga trades ninyo? May nakapag-trade ba? Magandang happening kay Emperador ngayon no? O kasi nakabili ako sa kanya nung nakaraan pero naibenta ko rin siya ng at a loss actually, no. Loss ako kay Emperador. Na-break yung cut loss level ko dahil nga dun sa pag-exit niya sa index, no. So unfortunately. Tapos kung kailan nakalabas na ako, bigla naman siyang nagpaparamdam ngayon dahil 'di ba, ang lakas niya kanina 13% halimaw. So, ayan. Medyo madalang yung trades ko ngayon kasi, well, limited lang din kasi yung oras ko. Today tuloy. This week, so far, I had 2 trades pa lang. 2 trade. I'm still trying to check yung aking mga watch list kung may na-trigger kaso wala Ganun talaga. Ayan. Sige. So, let me check here. Cyber K, good evening. Cedric, magandang gabi from Pampanga. Uy, nice. Cedric, dyan ba sa Pampanga, ECQ ba? Hindi yata no? Or kumusta yung situation ng lockdown dyan sa inyo? Hello, Jingle. Good afternoon. Good afternoon tuloy. Good evening. Lawrence, hello. Gloria, magandang gabi. Dennis, good evening. Yan. Sige. So, we will start in a short while, no? Hello, Rosario. Good afternoon or good evening pala. Yan. Okay. Sige. It's already 8:37 no? So, yeah, let's go na para makarami pa tayo. Ayan. Pero before we actually do that, let's have technical check muna, guys. No, technical check. So kung malinaw naman yung lahat, wala namang issue sa audio, gumagana naman yung screen, and hindi nakakasagabal yung background music natin, pa-comment naman ako number one, no? Just to be sure, para kung sakasakaling kailangan pa nating mag-adjust, magawa natin as early as possible. Ayan. Okay, yun, nice. Maraming salamat sa mga nag number 1. Ayan. Ayos. Sige. So, simulan na natin mga kapatid nang makarami tayo ngayon. Ayan. So, dun sa mga bago pa lang, no? Dito sa Stockwentuhan, this is a regular show here in StockSilog kung saan nag-live stream tayo both sa Facebook and YouTube sabay, no? Every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays at around 8 p.m. Ngayon 8:30 lang tayo dahil may meeting ako kanina. So ayan, we talk about mga special topics, Q&A, tapos syempre stock reviews eventually, no? So kung baguhan ka man or experienced na trader, you'll definitely learn something here. Syempre, remember everything that we talk about are not recommendations ha, but for research purposes only. Ikaw pa rin ang pipindot ng buy or sell button, so please think before you click. And of course, if you find that this type of session helpful, please do follow our social media accounts, lalo na sa my YouTube, wherein we are trying to boost yung Facebook kasi ang target natin is sana makaabot tayo ng 5,000 subscribers by the end of the month. Nasa 4,600 pa lang tayo, so if you can help me out, I would really appreciate it. Ayan. So to help, share the stream sa mga groups or sa mga personal timelines para mas marami tayong ma-reach ng mga potential newbie traders and hindi maabot ng mga hypers lang sa market. Ayan. When you subscribe and share the stream, it actually helps us continue to deliver all the videos and all of its content for free. Ayan. Okay, so having said that, let us proceed. Ito ang ating this is our questions. Dun sa mga bago pa lang, how we usually do it is simple, lahat ng questions, we post it sa slido.com. Okay? Sa slido.com po, dito natin siya pinopost para at least na-filter natin, And I'll try to post yung link kung ayaw ninyo. Actually, you can go to slido.com tapos participant code is StockSilog and then you will find the live session or the live polls and Q&As there, Pero kung gusto ninyo, I can also post it here. Yan. So again, sa mga live questions, nandiyan lang yan. Okay? So, ayan. Sige. Simulan natin total may mga nakapost na rito. Huwag kayong mahiyang magtanong doon sa ating dito sa ating Q&A. Tapos susubukan kong sagutin lahat 'yan. Okay? So, sige. Now, let's proceed, Start tayo agad. Sabi ni Alex, ito yung una. Sir, not stock related, pero what does coin burning mean sa crypto and how does it affect the currency? Okay. Depende kasi sa coin burning, katulad na nangyari kay, I think kay Ethereum, ano na yan, that is, di ba, alam naman natin pagdating sa mga asset classes, yung presyo nila relies based on the supply and demand. Di ba? Supply and demand yan. Now, ang mga cryptocurrencies kasi, they have that option or feature wherein you can destroy the coin. So, for example, there are 1 billion coins in circulation. Gusto nilang bawasan, gagawin lang nilang, kunwari, gusto ko 700 million na lang. So, I'll burn 300 million. Para yung supply kumonte. And syempre, mas konti ang supply, it can affect the presyo or the price nung coin, pwedeng mag-shoot up. Okay? So, ayun, they do that. Maraming gumagawa niyan, especially dun sa mga heavy gut na mga coins, in terms of the available or yung tinatawag na circulating coins or circulating supply. So, they do that. Okay? I'm not sure. Sa fiat ba? Sa pera, do they do that? Parang hindi. Anyways, so ayun, that's my answer to that, Alex. Next, sabi, what if you bought stock at end of day? Okay? And then it dropped to your cut loss area. So during the end of day daw, nag-drop yung presyo sa cut loss area. Okay. So, do you cut loss the following day or you give a 1 day allowance hoping it will bounce? Okay. Sa akin, no, the moment it dropped on the cut loss area at end of day, I'll sell it agad. I'm not waiting or I will not wait na. Okay? Pag nag-drop, cut. No? Kasi there are times, not always, there are times na pagka the next day ka pa, baka mas malalim na siya. So, sa akin, inaagapan ko na. No? Although, syempre, there are also other times din na pagka-drop, the next day, lumilipad naman. Di ba? So, for that, missed trade lang siya sa akin. Okay? So, ayun. Basta kapag end of day, nag-drop siya sa cut loss area, cut na ako agad dun. No questions asked. Ika nga. Ayan. Next, sabi ni Josh. So, good evening. Your thoughts po on the upcoming all-day IPO? Comparable po kaya siya with IPO considering na pareho sila ng industry or line of business? Yes. No. Pero ito lang kanina 'di ba I posted yung si all day. Saan ba 'yan? Teka ha. Diba hindi? Asan yun? Ayan. Okay. So, ito. So, I posted this kanina, no? And yung, by the way, yung question was my thoughts. Okay, sige. Para ko muna. And then, comparable ba siya sa Yes, it is. No, kasi nga, just like what you have said, pareha sila ng industry and line of business. Okay, comparables. Okay, when we say comparables, ito yung, kasi pagdating sa stock market, di ba, we try to look at each stock based on kung ano yung mga kaparehas nilang category, no? Pwedeng kaparehas na industry. Kunwari, so telco to telco, so smart versus globe, o kaya pwede rin naman na power sector, so kunwari AP versus Avoidis Power versus ASEN, parang ganon, di ba? Pero pwede rin naman based on growth trajectory, no? Growth. Kumbaga how pagdating sa mga growth stocks, no, we try to also compare them. So pwede rin 'yon, hindi lang basta-basta dahil kaparehas ng industry yun lang yung magiging comparables mo. No. There are other things. No, na as long as meron kang basis kung saan mo siya pwede compare, then possible. Okay? Ayan. Now, my thought on the all day, wala pa, no? I can't give you my thoughts yet kasi hindi ko pa nababasa yung prospectus. Nakita ko lang to, kaya kita nyo dito sa baba. My source was GMA Network. Ayan. Hinahanap ko yung prospectus kanina, hindi ko makita, no? So kung alam niyo yung prospectus, yung link kung saan ko siya makita, pa-send naman sa akin so that I can check. Ayan. Also, let me try to clarify hindi pa sila confirmed. Okay, the all-day IPO is not yet confirmed. Ang ginawa pa lang ng all-day is nag-submit pa lang sila ng kanilang intent para mag-IPO. Okay, nandoon pa lang. So, most likely by October 13, if I'm not mistaken, doon pa lang sila mabibigyan ng initial approval para doon sa kanilang preliminary offer. No? So, matagal pa yan. We still have time. Okay? So, pero ito lang siguro at least in my mind, ito lang yung medyo nawiwirduhan lang ako, no? Kasi for some reason they have decided na yung kanilang offer price is up to 0.80 per share. At least in the recent memories, ito yata yung pinakamababa ko pa lang na nakita na offer price. Na IPO hindi FOO. IPO. Okay? So, kasi usually, di ba, ang pinakamababa ko nakita so far was at piso. Di ba? Pero ito, 0.80. Talagang sentimo yung, yung gusto ng grupo ni Villar. Anyways, let's see how that one will pan out eventually. No, once na mabigyan pa tayo ng mga additional information. Okay? So, ayan. Again, wala pa, no? I'll try to create a video for this one once na makita ko na yung prospectus. Okay? But for the meantime, you can look this one up as a reference lang muna. Okay? So, wala pa tayong offer period, no? Not available pa. Pero at least their target is November 3. Ayan. Okay. So, ayan. Next up, sabi ni Anonymous, since we are of different age groups, what is your suggestion for percentage of investing our funds sa stocks like 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 ages? Okay. So again, I'm not a financial advisor. I think much better kang mabibigyan ng guidance ng financial advisor, no? But then again, this is just for me, no? Just my opinion. Okay? Sa akin, there is no specific number. Regardless kung anong age mo. Siyempre, the risk factor is there, no? I'm not saying na walang risk factor. Of course, meron. Okay? Pero sa akin kasi, I believe na you should only invest or trade, depende kung anong gusto mo, based on the money na willing kang mawala sa'yo. Okay? So, kung halimbawa, kasi ganun din naman di ba? If you are 20 years old, pero kaya mong sikmurain yung loss na let's say 100,000, then so be it. Diba? While same thing, kahit na nasa 70 years old ka na, kung ang kaya mo lang ma-loss is nasa 10,000, then 10,000 lang. Diba? So, nandoon yun. Okay? Yan. Teka, hanapin ko lang yung telepono ko kasi nakikita ko na naman, meron na naman tayong StockSilog na nagpapanggap na naman dito. Teka ha. By the way guys, no, pag kami nakikita kayong mga ganyan, please try to to report and block them. Okay? Kasi masyadong papampam. Since kaninang umaga nagbaban na ako ng mga gantong accounts, no? Pero wala, mabibilis kasi silang gumawa. Kaya hindi ko rin kayang mapigilan agad-agad. The only way that I can do is to be reactive, no, unfortunately. Hanggang react lang ako sa kanila dahil pag nag-appear sila, then I remove. Ayan. Okay. So yan, na-block ko na siya ha. Or na-ban ko na siya. Hopefully hindi na siya lumabas ulit, pero still expect na may gagawa ulit ng mga ganyang klase na accounts. Okay. So going back sa ating discussion, I think na sagot ko na tong part na to. Next, sabi ni Oliver, since we are on a bear market, nope, I don't think we are in the bear market. I don't think we are on the bear market. Okay? I think we are still on the consolidation period. Okay? How can we know if start na ng bull? Last March lang kasi ako nag-start. Thank you for the learnings. This is the best time to prepare. Okay. Again, no, pagdating sa market natin, tatlo lang naman yan. We have the bear, we have the bull, and we have the consolidation. Marami kasing hindi kino-consider yung consolidation as part of the market cycle. Ako kasi I do. No? Naniniwala kasi ako na for every stage, for every bull, and for every bear, laging pinapagitnaan niya ng consolidation. Okay? So, ayun. How can we know if start na siya ng bull? Then, wait for the consolidation. Okay? Antayin niyo lang yung consolidation. Tapos, ayun. And besides, no, yung part kasi ng being a bull market or a bear market, may pinanggagalingan yan. And that is the macroeconomic situation dito sa Pinas. Okay? Ako naman, given na na naka-consolidation yung market natin ngayon, my thinking is this, no? Ang pinakamalaking barrier natin for our stock market to rally is the pandemic, no? And the only way that we can solve that is kung marami ng mga bakunahan or maraming vaccination, no, na pwede mangyari. And unfortunately sa part na yon, that is something na medyo hindi natin kayang kontrolin, di ba? Dahil number one, we recognize na there is really a shortage in terms of the supply ng vaccine. And then number two, may mga pasaway pa rin na, alam niyo yun, na either anti-vaccine o kaya naninira lang doon sa progress. No, regardless, wala akong pakialam kung DDS or dilawan, basta anyone na naghihinder doon sa progress natin, they are pulling our market down. Okay? So, ayun. Now, for you, Oliver, my advice, sabi mo nga, no, this is the best time to prepare. Not just to prepare, but this is the best time para mag-practice. Okay? This is the best time para mag-practice. Kasi, once we enter the bull market, tapos doon ka pala mag-practice, what you will gain there, again, this is just based on my experience, no? What you will gain pagka nag-trade ka on a bull market is the false sense of confidence sa trade. Dahil syempre kapag bull market tayo, kahit technically, kahit saan ka pumasok, magka-profit ka, di ba? Kasi bull run nga eh. Yeah. A test for a good trader is how he will be able to sustain his capital on the bear market. Doon nagkakasubukan, hindi sa bull market. Okay? So, ayan. Sabi ni Auto Loan, so is the AAA broker interface and usability feature the same with FMS? Yes. Dahil parehas lang sila ng back-end na system na ginagamit. Tapos ano po ang pwedeng gawin setting or widgets to make the interface look the same as FMS? You're referring to FMS Pro. Tama ba? Kasi dalawa yung FMS eh. We have the FMS Basic and we have the FMS Pro. No? Depende rin kung anong settings yung gusto mong gawin. Unfortunately, hindi ako makakapagbigay sa'yo ng mga tips about AA or AAA kasi wala akong AAA eh. So, baka hindi kita mabigyan ng malinaw na sagot, no, on how to do that. Si Anonymous, sa First Metro Sec Pro, it has 5 sets of watch list. May we ask for your suggestion on how to separate categorize each or different set? Hope for your kind suggestion. Okay, sige, I can show you. Matagal ko nang hindi ina-update, no, yung First Metro ko. Pero what I usually do, at least back then, is ayan. So I have kasi dalawang parang dalawang column, no, with 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, no, na pwede kong isalpak dito. And then what I usually do is ganito, no. On one column, ang ilalagay ko diyan ay yung current holdings ko, and then on the other one is my watch list. Okay? So you can separate the two. Yung hawak mo on the left side pwede, and then on the right side naman is yung yung watch list, no, so that in just one plain interface you have both, no, and then monitor mo sila. Okay, etong mga to, this was kailan pa ba to? I think January, February ko pa yata to na-add. Hindi ko na-update afterwards. Okay, hindi ko na siya na-update. Nasa kabila yung watchlist ko eh. Yung bago kong watchlist. So, this means na mga January, Feb, ito yung mga hawak ko. Ilan dito may hawak pa rin ako till now. Tapos ito naman yung mga nasa watchlist ko at that time. And So yun lang, just make sure you can separate yung holdings and yung watch list, no, para at least you can still monitor. Ang wala lang kasi dito or ang kailangan mo lang kasing tandaan sa mga ganito is syempre ang makikita mo lang sa kanya is the current price, di ba? The bid and the ask. Pero kung halimbawa you have already set your trade plan na ito yung target mong presyo na papasok or mag-out, unfortunately wala yan dito. Okay? So, ayan. Is it recommendable to fund our stock trading sa pag-utang sa bangko, SSS loan, or using credit card? No. Big no. Katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, only trade or only invest the amount you can afford to lose. And this is not the way to do that. Kasi you are only piling up debt, no? And again, there's no guarantee pagdating sa stock market eh. So what if hindi ka nag-profit doon? So basically, double whammy. Talo ka na, nagbabayad ka pa. Tapos may interest ka pa, o di ba? Ang saya. So ayan, big no-no ito ha. Sir, so may cut loss. Kapag na-hit na ba ang cut loss within the trading hour, execute na agad or hintayin yung end of day? I go with hintayin ng end of day. Sa end of day talaga, no? Yun yung nagiging basis ko. Minsan kasi end of day lalong lumalalim. Minsan man naman nakakabawi. That's true. But still, end of day. Okay? Sa akin lately recently, hindi ako nakakapag end of day. Kasi 'di ba nga nag-market recap tayo. Pag gano'n, natatagalan ako mag-execute. So minsan siguro mga around 12 to 12:30, doon ako nag-execute. No? So, ayan. Pero technically, ang play ko talaga dito is tuwing end of day lang. Next, normally po ba ang mga stocks sa index ay mabagal ang pagtaas at pagbaba ng price? Since nauntog na si ASEN, matatagalan na po ba sang ulit umakyat? Okay, saan yun? Yung movement kasi, no, yung price movement, it does not really based kung naka-index ka or hindi eh. Wala doon. It's on the demand ng mga traders. Okay? Kahit heavy cut pa yan, kung may demand ang mga traders, then expect na magkakaroon ng price movement. Diba? Madalas lang na sinasabi na yung index mabagal dahil technically, yung mga index stocks natin or at least karamihan sa kanila, heavy cut pagdating sa market cap. Imagine mo naman, nandiyan sina SM, 1 trillion, di ba? sina AC I think nasa 800 billion yata, if I'm not mistaken. Hindi, mas malaki pala si Ali, no, na nasa 6 to 7 million. 6 to 700 million. Okay? So, mabagal lang kapag mabigat yung market cap nung stock. No? Pero again, ang magiging main differentiator niyan or ang main driver, no, pagdating sa movement ng nasa stocks is the demand. Okay? Demand talaga yan. Demand-based. Yan. So, I hope I was able to answer that question. Anonymous, ano po yung isang sinasabi nila? Kaka-online lang po. Anong isang sinasabi nila? Hindi ko matandaan Oh, sorry. Hindi ko matandaan. If you can clarify, medyo baka hindi ko na naabutan tong part na to or nakalimutan ko. Okay. Si Del Monte nearing a swing trade setup. Tips lang for good entry and candle price or based on the swing trade setup. Del Monte? Is it? Teka Saan na ba yun? Okay. Hindi ko kasi minomonitor tong si Delm, so kaya kita nyo wala siyang Wala siyang kahit na anong halos laman, 'no? Okay. So mukhang eto yung tinutukoy ni Anonymous, 'no, itong 1180 na support. So medyo malapit na nga yan diyan. Okey, teka, 11 to 17, 'di ba? Possible ba yung Fibo dito? Kasi at least, this is already consolidating, eh. Okay, so tingin ko valid naman yung Fibo. Hmm, I think baliktad. Ay hindi, puwede na rin pala. Kasi technically, hindi pa siya nagba-bounce, eh. So, yep, gano'n pa rin. Okay, ano ulit yung tanong? Good entry, again, ang entry kasi sa swing is always near the bottom, which is eto. So eto, muntik na siya mag-touch, 'no, pero still kahit na weak lang 'yan, I would still consider this. Siguro ang next ko na lang na hihintayin will be the ano, confirmation candle. Confirmation na nag-bounce na siya, 'no. So siguro I'll wait for 1 to 3 days. Tingnan ko kung magkakaroon ng spike dito, and if it is, then yun yung magiging entry ko. So ayan. Heavy foreign selling sa LTG. May valid reason ba fundamentally ang LTG drop or may sign na ba ng reversal? Si LTG, meron na siyang sign of reversal, ha. Tingnan ko lang kung nag-confirm. Ay hindi, hindi. Ito yung tinutukoy ko na I was thinking na reversal na siya, pero apparently nahulog pa pala siya. So wala pa. The moment kasi na mabasag 'tong major support na 'to, then aantayin niya yung ano, or maghahanap siya ng next support. Unfortunately, that next support nakikita ko siya sa 720. 7 hanggang 720. Yun na yung next support ko sa kanya. So, ayun. Okay. Magandang gabi. 'Pag naka-pending pa rin sa BDO-SEC IPO yung FOO ko sa APL at naka-reply din yung BDO na reserve naman na daw ako, makakatanggap ba ako ng FOO? Teka, ha. Hindi ko na-gets yung first part. 'Pag naka-pending pa rin sa BDO, okay. Pero meron ka ng email coming from BDO na confirmed na, ha. Sinabi confirmed na yung allocation mo. Kasi magkaiba yung reserve sa allocated. Naka-reserve, pwede kasing ibig sabihin yan is nakasalang ka lang doon sa pagre-reserve, 'no? Ang kailangan mo makita is dapat sabihin nila sa'yo na meron ka ng confirmed allocation. Okay? So yun yung kailangan mo i-clarify, 'no? Once you have that, then of course, magiging eligible ka na or may FOO ka na. Pero kung wala, then either wala ka pa or hindi pa sila tapos. Okay? So ayan. Sa First Metro wala pa din, eh. Kasi doon ako nag-avail, no? So wala pa ring balita. We'll see. Sabi ni Limuel, may same feature po ba ang Binance like FMS Pro para makapag-auto cut loss and auto take profit, baka makahanap ng support doon? Yes. Actually, mas advanced ang mga functionalities ng Binance, no, versus FMS Pro. Kahit Pro pa 'yon, ha, ng FMS. So mas advanced. So yeah, meron. Wala po ba tayong mapapala sa mga warrant? Bakit lumilipad? Meron tayong mapapala sa warrant. Okay, meron. Kasi again, pag sinabing warrant, ito ay rights mo, no? You have the right to buy the stock at a particular price point, no? Saan papasok yung mapapala doon sa part na yon? Let's say for example kasi yung mga warrants natin, they are exercisable in 24 to 48, 24 to 30, 24 or 36 months. Okay, 24 or 36 months. Now, if you avail of the warrant, okay, pag bumili ka ng, kunwari, TechW, di ba? Pag bumili ka ng TechW, then you are anticipating na on August, ano ba ngayon? August 18, 2022, yung presyo niya should be at least 6.5. Okay? Should be at least 6.5. Okay? If that's the case, then you are almost just break even. Pero kapag hindi, then wala, hawak mo lang siya. No? Kasi again, since rights lang yung meron ka, you have the option naman if you wanted to exercise yung right mo to buy it at 550 eh. Diba? So ayun, depende kung that is plain or pure speculation play, ha? If you go into that warrant. Okay? Now, the next question or the follow-up question is, bakit lumilipad? Well, two things yung nakikita ko. No? Number one is excitement. That's something new. No? Although hindi na siya something new sa market natin, pero at least something new na napaglalaroan. No? Parang yung nangyayari yung nangyari kay LRW. 'Di ba? And then the second one is along that line din, no? Napaglalaroan siya ng mga traders. Yun lang. No? Kasi kung ako tatanungin, will I get the warrant? No. Instead, I'll take na lang tech. Kasi tech is already trading at what? 420? 425? O di doon ako. Kesa naman sa magwa-warrant ako. No? Magiging good news lang itong si warrant kung halimbawa, let's say, after 12 months, ang presyo ni tech lumobo to 10 pesos. Diba? Kasi kung 10 pesos na si tech, so that means kung may warrant ako, i-exercise ko siya, I can buy tech at just 550. Tapos 10 pesos siya, then bet ako agad, o diba? Kumikitang kabuhayan. Okay? Pero yun nga lang, syempre, since we don't know what will happen in the future, kaya nasabi ko na it's purely speculation play. Ayan. Next, sabi ni Anonymous. Anonymous. Yung RSI po ba na umabot ng 0 or ang RSI po ba umaabot ng 0 or 100? Paano po nasasabi na overbought or oversold kung lagi namang equal ang number of sellers and buyers? Well, the number of sellers and buyers are equal. However, the value that they are selling it or the value that they are buying it, doon nagkakatalo. And yun yung basis ng RSI. No? Umabot na ba siya ng 0, full 0 or full 100? To be honest, hindi ko alam. And to be honest, then hindi ko pa siya nakikita umabot ng full 0 or full 100. No? But I don't think aabot siya. No? I could be wrong there, ha, pero I think aabot. Pwedeng umabot. No? So, ayan. Ay, naklik ko na naman. Ayan, sabi ni another anonymous, hello po, bakit po pag bumili ng stock sa ask price, yung basis niya di ba po bid represent the buyers while ask is seller? Nalilito ako doon. Newbie here. Okay, sige. Let me try to, I think na-explain ko na siya before, pero sige, pwede mo natin siyang ulitin, no? Ayan. Okay. So, let's take, si Green. Kunwari. Ayan. Okay. So, pagdating dito kay Green, ganito siya, no? At the moment, you have your bid and then your ask. Diba? So, ibig sabihin nito, these are the people, there are 3 orders of Green, no? Na merong 26,000 shares total. Okay? And gusto nila itong ibenta at 2.82. Gusto nilang ibenta at 2.82. Okay? On the other side naman, merong 5 order na total of 262,000 shares na gusto nilang ibenta ng 286. Okay? Now, how would you operate on that information? Let's say, for example, bibili ka pa lang. Gusto mong bumili. Okay? Saan ka magsasalang? Okay? Kung gusto mong bumili at and makuha mo agad yung presyo or makakuha ka agad ng shares, then you have to buy the price ng buyers. Bibili ka, 'di ba? Teka, wait lang. So bibili ka, ayun, baliktad. Doon ka sa sellers kasi ito nga yung sila yung gusto magbenta eh. So gusto nilang magbenta, gusto mong bumili. So ima-match mo na 'yan. Salang mo yung 2.86 ng buy, ma-execute yung trade mo. Okay? Now, on the other hand naman, kunwari meron kang hawak, may hawak kang green, gusto mo na siyang ibenta. Then, syempre, dito ka magbibid or doon mo ilalagay sa gustong bumili. Okay? So, ayun. Basically, ganun. Ganun yung gagawin mo sa kanya. Okay? Ayun. So, I think nasagot ko na naman na siya. May one po sila sa comment. Okay. Ano yun? Kasi nagpapa-technical check ako, no? So, I'm asking kung okay yung lahat. Malinaw, walang issues. So, kung malinaw, then they can press 1. Ayan. So, yun lang yun. Walang doon. Nothing significant about it. More on confirmation lang siya ng technical issues kung meron man. Aside from stock trading, saan po ang mas better mag-trade? Forex or crypto? They are equally okay. Depende lang talaga sa'yo kung paano at kung saan mo gusto. No? I think they serve a different purpose. And depende sa'yo kung saan, no? You can start trading in Forex, walang problema. You can even start trading in crypto, wala ring problema. Okay? So, kumbaga, it's on his own yan. Depende sa trip mo. Okay? Kung hindi ka makapag-decide, mag-toss coin ka. Seryoso, toss coin ka kasi technically parehas lang naman yun eh. Okay? The operation for crypto and the operation for Forex are the same. No? Ayan. May relation po ba si Tech at Tech W or market will decide? Tataas si Tech, tataas rin si Tech W. Okay. Technically, wala. Wala silang specific relation apart from yung Tech W is warrant ni Tech. Yun lang ang relationship nila. Pero in terms of the price, kanya-kanyang demand yan eh. So, kung may demand si Tech, may demand din si Tech W. No? And doon sila maglalaro, ika nga. Okay? So, ayan. Okay. I think that is the last question natin dito sa Slido, no? So, having said that, let me go back sa comment section. Baka may mga questions, no? Check lang natin tapos we'll proceed na dun sa stock review natin. Okay. Sabi ni Cedric, may doppelganger. Oo nga eh. Pasaway, di ba? Ayan. Nigur, ayan, good evening sa'yo. James, good to buy po ba si MM? On the fundamental side, yeah, I think so. Okay naman yung fundamentals ni MM. Hello Alfred, good evening. Josh, good evening din. And then last here, sabi ni Espritzer, yung Tech W sa portfolio ko, pwede ko na ba ibenta yun? Yes. You can sell it already. You can trade it na. Just like a normal stock. No, pwede na. Yeah. Hello Connie, good evening. So, ayan. Okay, so that ends our Q&A. Now, let's proceed na sa ating sa ating poll, no? Yung ating stock review. Okay? So once again, no, dun sa mga gusto mag-participate, yung gusto ninyong maglagay ng or stock na gusto ninyong mapag-usapan natin, then just go to slido.com and then sorry. And then participant code is StockSilog, no? Alternatively, I will post ayan, dito sa ating comment section kung gusto niyo diretso. Ayan. Okay? So, ayan, naka-post na siya. Ngayon, I'll give you siguro about a minute para mag-enter pa ng inyong mga gustong stock. No? I'll give you time. Check ko lang muna yung sinaing ko dahil baka, baka nasusunog na yon or hindi pa. No? Sige, balikan ko kayo siguro mga 30 to 60 seconds lang ha. Tapos, I'll be back shortly. Okay, so I'm back. And now we have, uy wow, biglang lumaki ah. So we have so far 33 respondents. And mukhang malalaki tong sina GMA7, Monde, at saka si DMC, no? Sige, so let us try to, saan ba yun? Yan, sige, let's try to wait, no? Ayan. Sige, you can still you can still post ha kung gusto niyo. So ayan. Just a quick reminder lang, no. This is not a recommendation ha. Yung pinag-uusapan natin, this is more of a for research purposes only. Okay? Kayo pa rin yung pipindot ng buy or sell button. So please think before you click. And syempre, if you find that this type of session is helpful sa inyo, please do consider liking, sharing, and subscribing to our social media accounts, no? Especially sa YouTube. Okay? Uh, Share the stream, baka sakaling mas marami tayong matulungan. Kasi when you share the stream or like or engage dito sa page natin, it actually helps us continue to deliver all of our sessions, no, yung mga stock reviews natin, yung mga Stockwentuhan, end of day market recap, all of them for free. Okay? And syempre, this is just a kumbaga a piece of warning or advice, no, that yung mga my opinions here are based on swing trading. Okay? So if you are a day trader or short-term trader, this is not for you. Okay? So, ayan. Just wanted to clarify that part. Ayan. Sige. So, we have, okay. We will take one stock tapos we will close it. Okay? Para hindi na magalaw yung ano natin. First up, we'll take Monday. Okay? So, after Monday, we will close it. Saan na yun? So, Monday. Ayan. Okay. So, Monday is currently trading at 16.04, no? Pero yung range ko sa kanya is between 14.75 hanggang 17 pesos. Okay? Given na nasa gitna siya, then wala. Hold lang yan dahil boring ang galawan yan. Diba? And then, kung mapansin natin dito, no? This is a good candidate for swing trade, no? Kasi umaabot siya dun sa 14.75. Kung meron akong hawak na Monday, I'll hold. Okay? Hold lang muna ako. I'll set my cut loss at around 15.50. No? Initial cut loss lang yon. While kung wala naman akong hawak na Monday, then I'll wait. Hintayin ko yan na bumaba, 14.75, o kaya breakout sa 17 pesos. Tapos kapag breakout, bibili ako once it bounce or once na nag-pullback siya. Okay? So, ayan. That's my take on Monday. Now, okay. So, sumipa pa ng gusto, no? 40 na ngayon. Okay? Pero I need to disable na or to close na yung ating voting para hindi na tayo malito. Deactivating the poll in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, closing. Ayan. So, this is now our... Uy, may humawal pang isa. O, kita mo nga naman. Saan yan? View result. Ayan. So, this is now our result. Ayan. So, number 1 si Del Monte kanina with 5 votes. Tapos, ayan. We will be taking each one of them according to the number of votes. Ayan. Since natapos na si Del Monte, let's go to GMA 7. Oh, okay. So, GMA 7 is untog na siya, no? It went from an engulfing, bearish engulfing candle, itong pattern na to. And now at 13.42. So, kung meron akong GMA 7 and I'm just holding it for the short term, I'll consider profit taking kahit partial. Okay? Now, kung wala naman akong hawak na GMA 7, then I'll wait, no? Hintayin ko siya kung ano yung magiging next move niya. Either dito, so I'll wait for the bounce, or I'll wait for the breakout. Ayaw niyang gumana. Yan. So, hintayin ko yung breakout. Tapos, again, as usual, bibili ako on the pullback. Okay. So, ayan. Next, Converge. For Converge naman, ayun lang. So, mukhang ito na yung resistance niya, no? Hindi na kasi siya gumalaw after that, eh. Itong 27.50. Yun na yung naging resistance niya. Okay? Pero at least, tambay pa rin siya dun sa taas. Ika nga. Okay? So, kung meron akong hawak na Converge, I will be considering na some, kahit profit taking, no? Kasi nag-breakout na eh, di ba? Mas mahalaga na nakapag-profit take tayo kesa naman sa biglang malaglag tapos maiwan na naman, di ba? So, sell on strength, ika nga. Kung wala naman akong hawak na Converge, then I'll wait for this one, no? Again, yun pa rin yung magiging move ko sa kanya. Either this one drops or this one breaks. Parehas pa rin. Next, Meg. Kay Meg naman, ayun lang. So, this stock is still trading, no? Gitna pa rin siya ng range between 260 hanggang 325. Okay, 260 hanggang 325 yun yung range ko sa kanya. And at 280, halos ginitnaan pa rin niya yung range, eh. So kapag ganyan wala, tahimik lang, wait and see 'no, pagdating kay Meg. Kung meron akong hawak, I'll hold, kung wala naman, I'll wait 'no. Na bumaba pa siya, preferably bumaba siya to around nasa area ng 260, the bounce, and then on that bounce, dun ako bibili. Del Monte pala, oo nga 'no, Monde pala yung pinag-uusapan natin kanina. Ayan, okey. Oh, ayan, so for Del Monte, ayun na nga 'no, since lumapit na siya dun sa 1178 or 1180, ika nga, then etong candle na 'to, this can be considered as a potential ano na, yung dumikit na kumbaga full pullback candle doon sa support, okey? So pagka ganyan, I'll be waiting for the next 1 to 2 candles pa 'no, to see kung magre-reverse na ba siya or magba-bounce na ba siya doon. Okay? Notice I am not buying at this candle yet. No, hindi pa. So, hihintayin ko pa siya. Titingnan ko kung ano yung next candle. Although technically, ito, since long wick siya sa baba, first, sometimes I still consider this as potential, ano na, no? Potential bounce or potential confirmation. Pero since isa pa lang yan, I'll wait for another one just to be sure. Or just to give more conviction doon sa trade. Okay. DMC. May DMC naman, oh yun, nice breakout na 'no, nag-break na niya yung 615. 615 na resistance niya, okay. Dahil din ito dun sa magandang earnings nila na na-report nung nakaraan, 'di ba? Up sila ng ilang ano yun, ito ba yun? Ayan oh, net income up 270%, oh 'di ba? Ang saya. From that day, kita niyo oh, bounce na siya agad. So, despite the fact na nawala siya sa index, binawian naman niya ng ano, ng earnings, so 'di ba? So, ayan. Although quite surprising din yung pagkawala ni DMC, to be honest. Kung meron akong hawak na DMC, syempre I'll hold. I'll set my cut loss at 6 or 6 hanggang 6 pesos, 6.15 hanggang 6 pesos. No? Kung wala naman akong hawak, then I'll take this one as a breakout candle, tapos I'll wait for the pullback. PSC. Ayan. PSC same pa din, no? Given na 0.55 siya kanina, and yung range ko is between 0.45 hanggang 0.68. Nag-range pa rin siya for me, no? So at the moment, kung halimbawa mayroon akong hawak na BSC, I'll hold. I'll set my cut loss at 0.5, while kung wala naman akong hawak, syempre, I'll wait for the 0.45. No? And then doon ako, pagka-bounce doon ako bibili. Nickel. For nickel, ganun din, no? Kung mapansin natin, nauntog na siya doon sa ano, sa 635, and then ayun na. Ito yung tinutukoy ko, no, na kapag ka nauuntog na yung isang stock doon sa resistance, consider profit taking, no. Not necessarily kailangang mag-profit take full taking, no. Pwede naman yan kahit partial. Ang mahalaga kumbaga makapag-take profit. Gain is gain, ika nga, 'di ba? So take profit kahit partial, para kung halimbawa mang may movement pa siya na positive, then damay pa rin, 'di ba? So may skin on the game pa rin. Okay? So kung meron akong hawak na nickel at this very moment, nasa gitna na kasi siya halos nung range, eh. Siguro for this one, I will try to take more risk by waiting, and then I'll set another cut loss dito sa 540. No? Kasi medyo masyado na ring malalim eh. Pero if my loss is already more than 5%, wala na. Cut na ako agad dun. Well, that's just me. Is pa. Yan. Okay. So, same thing din kay pa, pero medyo malapit na siya dun sa piso, no? Again, piso hanggang 163. 1 hanggang 163. Yun yung range ko sa kanya. No? And for pa, after niya umabot ng 140, nag-die down na naman siya. So, ayun. If I have pa, since malapit na rin naman siya sa support, then I'll take risk. No? And wait na lang. Pero pag nahulog pa yun sa piso, then sell. Kung wala naman akong hawak na pa, then this is a good opportunity, no, to wait and see kung anong gagawin niya rito. Pag nag-bounce, then doon. Pag nahulog, then get out or get away or move away. Ika nga. DFNN. Interesting. Okay. Si DFNN, this is a low value stock ha. So usually hindi ko pa fully tested ito ng mga setups na ginagawa ko. Okay? So kaya sorry, I cannot give you specific dito. Tawag doon, specific na review kasi hindi ko pa siya fully tested. Okay? Oh, but may wala po akong stock. Fill rate. Ayan. Nangyari sa kanya. Oh, wow. Okay. Yun lang, ano na siya, no? This is Evening Star, if I'm not mistaken. Yung ganitong klase ng pattern. Yeah. So, for fill rate, no, this is a rate stock. Okay? Which means, for me, this should be played long term, not short term. Okay? And for long-term na dividend play for the REITs, sa akin dyan, more dips, more opportunity to buy. No? Yun yung ginagawa ko, at least on my portfolio, no? Since nagbibilang na rin ako or nag-accumulate na rin ako ng shares ko ng REIT stocks. Okay? StockW. Okay. Again, this is a speculative play. Okay? And kapag ganyan mga speculative play, I tend to move away from it. Okay? Kasi number one, hindi ko kayang sabayan yung mga traders. No, I have no time para sumabay sa kanila. So as much as possible, I stay away. Okay? And this is pang mga short-term traders, no, para sa kanila to. Pero if you are a newbie or a swing trader, this is not for you. This is not for us, ika nga. Okay? Unless of course gusto niyo maglaro, diba? If gusto niyo maglaro, then okay lang, go ahead, as long as you know what you are entering in. EUL Vulcan. Okay. So, itong si Vulcan is already on a downtrend eh. Nahulog na siya dito, but then the good thing though is medyo nagko-consolidate na siya dito sa area ng 140, diba? So that makes it, yung aking range is now between 135 hanggang 2 pesos. Yun nga lang, merong namumuong death cross, which is another bad sign for the stock. Diba? Kasi death cross is, as we know, it is a bearish signal, no? So we'll see how it goes. Kung meron akong hawak na Vulcan at this time, since medyo malapit na siya dun sa 135 ko, then I'll hold. Pero I'll make sure to monitor, no? Kasi the time na mag-meet itong dalawa, susceptible na yung stock na mag-drop. So the moment na it drop, kailangan na mag-execute agad ng cut loss. Okay? Kung wala naman akong hawak na VUL, anong gagawin ko? I'll wait, 'no. Hihintayin ko 'to dito sa taas. Hintayin ko yung breakout dito sa ₱2, 'no. Bakit diyaan? Para at least number one ma-break yung MA200 and number two makawala doon sa potential debt cross. And then from here kasi mas maganda yung ano, mas maganda yung confidence nung stock na magtuloy-tuloy. RCB, wow, okay. So, RCB is again, a low value stock. Paano ko nasasabi na low value stock? Just look at this one. Okay? Anything na less than 5 million in terms of value, I consider them as a low value stock. And I try to stay away from those. Ali. Blue chip. Uy, nice. Ang ganda ng bounce, oh. Ang ganda ng bounce. No? Ayan. So, for Ali, no, kung meron akong hawak nito, I think pwede na siyang pasukin. Yun nga lang kasi if I enter, no, kasi nakakita na ako ng confirmation candle no, na nag-bounce na siya doon sa 3170. Pero syempre, hindi naman dahil nag-bounce, pasok agad. I would also consider the upside, no? So kunwari 3405 ko siya bibilhin, tapos target ko 3830. Then that's just 12%. Ang minimum ko kasi is 15 My personal minimum. Okay? So pag ganito, then maybe not, no? This is not a good candidate for me. Okay, pero kung kaya mo na or okay na sa yung 12.35, then go, diba? Siguro what I'll do here is I'll wait na lang. Antayin ko siya medyo baka bumaba pa siya ng konti, no? Before ako sumabay or before ko siya saluhin. Okay? So, ayan. LTG. Again, as I've mentioned kanina, dahil nahulog na siya dun sa 955, the next support is 718. And kapag ganyan, heavy downtrend yung kanya hindi lang yan. From here to here. Diba? Sobrang heavy nung downtrend sa kanya. So, I will try to stay away muna for LTG, no? Until maka-pick up siya ng momentum niya. No? Either this one picks up here sa 720, bounce here, o kaya kung kaya niyang mag-breakout, bumalik dun sa above 955. Okay? So, ayan. Next, CLI. Ayan. Nari na kay CLI. Okay. So, CLI, nag-bounce na siya, no? Nag-bounce na siya, confirm na yung bounce dito at 280. And now, it is trading at 308. Okay? Ang gusto ko nalang makita dito is siguro ma-break niya tong 310 and hopefully umabot siya ng 320. If it does, then I think nasa mas better na siyang situation, no? Ang 320 ba, kapag mineasure ko to 14, okay pa rin naman. That's still about 27%. Okay? So, kung wala naman kung meron naman akong hawak na CLI, I'll hold. No, kung wala naman, then I think I'll wait, no. Hintayin ko siyang konti. Gusto ko lang makita kung kaya niyang i-break to no. Yun yung gusto ko makita sa kanya. Next is SCC. After dito, punta ako sa comment section I'll try to check kung may mga questions doon. And for Semirara, oh wow. Okay. Medyo interesting to, no? Kasi nag-breakout, nag-breakout, tapos may pullback, yun nga lang, the next day, nag-drop. Okay? That means, etong 1750 na to, hindi siya ganun ka-strong na, no? As of the moment kasi ang bilis niyang basagin eh. And then ito rin kanina, binasag ulit niya, no? Although umupo siya dun sa 1748, pero still the more time na binabasag ng mga candlestick at a short period of time yung support, that means nag-weaken ito, humihina. Okay? So, yun lang yung major concern ko dito. Kung meron akong hawak na SEC at the moment, I'll hold. Tingin ko kaya ko pa naman siya, no? Tapos, I'll set my cut loss at 17 pesos. Cut loss 17. While kung wala akong hawak na SEC, then I'll wait. No, hintayin ko siyang bumaba sa 15. Or, antay ko lang yung 19 pesos. I think 19 pesos mas strong siya, no? Pero despite naman I think for now strong tong si Semerara. 'Di ba? Ganda nung buka nung moving average niya. Okay? So yan. Let me go back to the comment section. Sabi ni James, yung desktop computer mo ba, yung nag-mine ka ng crypto, umabot ba ng 170 ang gastos? Yep. Umabot ako ng mga 120 to 150 yata. No, and that is just for 4 or 5. Maximum of 5, no, na GPU. So, yung inabot ko doon. Jonathan, hello sa lahat. Nice to be back. Oo nga, no? Tagal mong good to see you again. Maraming salamat sa reminder. So, ayun guys, no? If you find this type of session helpful, please do consider liking, subscribing, and sharing our stream. Baka mas marami tayong matulungan. Ayan. Thank you for that. Sabi ni RX Kitan, take profit when happy. Exactly, no? Ang stocks ay hindi trophy na tipong pang-display tapos hindi binubuksan. Okay, you have to sell it kung gusto mo mag-profit. Pumili ka na lang. You are a collector or you are a trader. Okay? Ayan. Cedric, kapag profit taking po ba, meaning lahat ng shares bibenta mo or just take profit? Well, there is no specific guidance on that, no? Pero sa akin, usually ang ginagawa ko, I take profit mga around 25 to 30%. Hindi, sorry, 20 to 50% pala, sorry. 20 to 50%. No? Para lang may maiuwi ako sa bahay na kita. Diba? Pwede ang partial. Yep, exactly. Pwede ang partial. Ano ibig sabihin ng death cross? Death cross happen kapag yung longer moving average, kunwari ito, MA200, tapos ito MA50 kasi yan. No? The death cross happens kapag yung MA50 or yung shorter mag-cross pababa nung longer. Okay? So, doon nangyayari. Kapag yon death cross ang tawag doon, and then usually death cross is a bearish, it's a bearish indicator. Okay? So, ayan. Ask ko lang kung kailan ng cyber, hindi ko na gets yung tanong, kung kailan ng cyber. Sorry, hindi ko na gets. Ayan. Si J-Lord naman, sabi niya, TP when happy. Yep, exactly. Ayan, sabi ni Mark Autolike, maraming salamat. J-Lord, TP 60 to 70% place remaining as my runner. TP at 60 to 70% from the target price or yan yung take profit mo? But nevertheless, no, pwede rin naman. Walang problema doon. Okay, so let me go back sa ating review. Next, FNI. Tatry natin medyo bilisan na kasi it's already 9:47. Ayan. FNI naman, wala. Gitna pa rin siya at 237. Range ko is 220 hanggang 257 or 260. No? Again, gitna. Ayun. So, this is another potential death cross, no? Again, yung sinasabi ko kanina, the the shorter moving average, itong MA50, is about to cross down sa MA200. So, ayan. Magko-cross sila pababa. And that is what we call the death cross. Okay? So, ayan. Again, kung meron akong hawak na FNI, I'll hold at this moment, pero I'll set my cut loss at 235. 230 lang pala. No? Kasi hinahawidan ko tong 230 part na to eh. Kung wala naman akong hawak na FNI, then of course, I'll wait. Antay ko siya sa 220. FP. Uy, wow. Okay. Bihira to si San Miguel Food and Beverage. Okay. So for FB, after that breakout, the good breakout here, no, nagkakaroon ng rounding top dito sa bandang taas. Okay? So kung meron akong FB at this moment, kasi yun na yun eh. Yan. Kung meron akong hawak na FB, I'll hold. I can hold, no? While kung wala naman, then I'll wait. Antayin ko siya, bumaba. Mag-slide down ng 1 to 73 pesos. Tapos, pag bounce doon ako bibili. Or again, syempre, breakout. Uy, nice. Ang ganda ng bounce ni Aba, oh. Ang range ko sa kanya, no, between 0.90 hanggang 160, ang taas nun. Apart kasi dito sa support na to at 0.90, meron din ako nakikita dito na descending triangle. No? Yeah. Yeah. So I can see a descending triangle here. And descending triangle is a bearish pattern. Okay? Ibig sabihin ng bearish pattern is that yung yung bias niya is going to the bearish side, no? Nandoon yung bias niya on that part. Okay? So sana hindi naman, and instead na ganyan, sana maging ganito, no? Breakout from that diagonal resistance. Mas maganda 'yon. Okay? So ayan, that's for ABA. Uy, last one. Nice. Wow, naubos natin MM. This is the first time yata na naubos ko siya. Ayan. So si MM naman, okay. Nabasag niya to 325 ito dito sa part na to. Pero naka-recover naman siya. Yun nga lang, after that good recovery dito, nag-die down naman ngayon siya. No? So, kapag ganito yung situation, for me mas nangingibabaw pa rin yung mga bears dito sa stock, sa MM. Okay? And still, ang monitor ko is itong 325. It has to hold. Okay? Otherwise, baka mag-tuloy-tuloy, no? So, between 3 pesos hanggang 325, yun yung major support kong nakikita sa kanya. Kung meron akong hawak na MM, siguro I can still hold. I'll set my immediate cut loss at 325. Immediate cut loss. No? While kung wala naman akong hawak na MM, then okay na ba siya? Kung sakali at 325 nice. Pwede na. No? At least on its current price ngayon, 342. Not bad. 30% upside. Potential, no? 30% potential upside. Ayan. Yun nga lang, kahit maganda yung upside niya, the stock is still on a bearish movement, no? Yun yung ayokong part. And as always, I don't really trade bearish stocks. Dahil, sabi nga nila, trend is your friend. Diba? Ayan. Okay. Since naubos na natin yon, then let me go back sa comment section. Mabilisan na lang, no? Ayun, kinlarify. Kailan ang balik ng cyber? Wala pa. Wala pa akong balita kung kailan. Kailan ba siya nawala? Kailan siya nawala? Oh wow, way back in June pa pala 'to. So yeah, unfortunately wala pang news for ano 'no, public ownership, wala pa 'to. Sabi ni J-Lord yung allotment. Okay, okay, got it. Thanks, thanks. Yep, I did kanina. Yan, and then salamat po sa gabing ito. You're welcome. Okay, so yun guys, hanggang dito lang po muna tayo, no? At least the good thing is naubos natin lahat ng stock codes na na-post kanina. It has been a while since the last time na naubos natin siya. So I'm very happy today. Ayan. So maraming salamat for tuning in. I hope na may natutunan tayo kahit pa paano, no? And kung may mga questions kayo, don't worry, just post it, no? Kung nasa YouTube man kayo or nasa Facebook, post lang kayo, and then I'm pretty sure merong magre-respond naman, either yung mga kasama natin dito or ako mismo. Okay? So, ayan. Thank you everyone. Have a pleasant day or a night ahead. Good night, and as usual, happy trading. Kita-kits tomorrow. Bye-bye.